friends. Today we're going to do one of my favorite warm-ups, animal walks. Now, feel free to just do it with me for now, but if you want to do this again later without the video, you only need a few things. You can use a foam puzzle that has the letters of the alphabet and just knock out all the pieces of the letters, put them on one side of the room, and put the puzzle on the other side of the room so you can do your animal walks in between. If you don't have a foam puzzle, another option are those letters that are on your refrigerator potentially. You could use those and just take them from one side of the room and put them in a basket or a bowl on the other side of the room. You could write down the letters on a piece of paper. That'd be a good way for you to practice your handwriting, and then just tear each piece off and have those individual letters. If you still have some Easter eggs at home, feel free to put any of those options inside of your Easter egg. Close it up, and maybe your parents or your grandparents or whatever living adult is with you could hide these Easter eggs and you could find them and do animal walks with them. So there's lots of different options, so feel free to get as creative as you want to be. Now, I'm lucky enough that I have my animal walk dice at home with me. You probably don't have one of these at home. So I'm going to put a document on here as well, and it will allow you to kind of adapt it for you at home. All right, shall we play? Let's do it. Roll the dice. What will we get? Oh, I got crab walk. Okay, let's grab two letters and we'll crab walk over to the puzzle. Now, because I don't have a lot of space here, I'm just going to kind of do it in one spot, but I want you to crab walk across your floor, okay? You ready? Two letters. And let's crab walk over. Woo! I hope you're doing this. Woo! Good. All right, let's see what letters I grabbed. M. What's an animal that starts with M? I'm thinking monkey. All right, let's put monkey in. Ooh. U. Can you think of an animal that starts with U? How about a fantasy animal? Unicorn. Nice job. All right, let's roll the die. What did we get? Seal walk. Okay, two letters. One, two. Oh my goodness. Seal walk over. Remember to drag those feet. Good job. All right, I got H. What animal starts with H? Nay. Horse, you're right. And then a W. Can you think of an animal that starts with W? I'm thinking of a very big animal, lives in the ocean, has a sprout, a whale. All right, let's roll. Let's see what we got. Oh, penguin walk. Remember, penguin walk is on your heels. Good. All right, I'm going to grab two letters. Penguin walk across. T. I'm thinking of an animal that lives in the jungle, has stripes. Good. Tiger. O. I'm thinking of an animal that stays up at night and it goes hoo 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 hoo. Yep, owl. Okay, let's roll our die. Ooh, a favorite. Frog jumps. All right, grab two letters and let's frog jump over. You ready? Frog jump, frog jump. Frog jump. Keep going. Good job. I got letter R. What's an animal that starts with R? I'm thinking of another animal that hops. Kind of like the Easter bunny, but a rabbit. Good. Q. That's a hard one. There is a bird that starts with Q, rhymes with whale. Quail. Good job. All right, let's roll our die. Oh, sorry, that one went a little bit crazy. Look what I got again. Frog jumps. You ready? Grab 2 letters. And let's frog jump over. Frog jump. Frog jump. Frog jump. Keep jumping. All right, I got a J. What's a letter, or what's an animal that starts with J? I'm thinking of a very fast animal. Jaguar. Good job. An animal that starts with a V. That's another hard one. What about a vulture? Good. Okay. Hopefully we don't get frog jump again. I'm tired. Crab walk again. All right. 2 letters. Ready? All right. Crab walk all across your floor. Keep going. Keep going. Good job. We got G. Can you think of an animal that starts with G? I'm thinking one has a very long neck. Yeah, giraffe. Good job. Ooh, N. Can you think of an animal that starts with N? How about, this one's a tricky one, how about a newt? Newt starts with N. Good all, right. Ready? Let's roll. There it goes. Mule kicks. Okay. 2 letters. Mule kick with me. Up, hands and feet, and kick as you walk. Kick as you walk. Keep going. Across your room. Nice work. All right, I got an A. Can you think of an animal that starts with A? What about a little insect that sometimes ruins picnics? An ant. Good job. What about this letter? D. Should be an easy one. Roof, roof, roof. Dog. Okay, we're cruising right along. Let's roll. Oh my goodness. Crab walk again. You ready? 2 letters. Crab walk with me across the room. Keep going. Keep going. Woo, good job. I got a B. What's an animal that starts with B? How about a bear? Good job. A lot of options for that one. Y. This one's a little harder. How about a yak? Good job. All right, let's roll our die. Oh, I don't think we've done this one yet. Bear walk. 2 letters. That's a bear walk across. Good job. Keep going. Keep going. Woo. All right. L. Who's the king of the jungle? The lion. Good job. I'm thinking an iguana. Nice. Okay. Let's roll. Ooh. We got penguin walk again. 2 letters. To our feet. Remember, stay on your heels. Penguin walk. all the way across your floor. Good job. I got C. What's an animal that starts with C? Yeah, a cat. And Z. I was thinking the same. Zebra. Oh man, only 6 more letters to go. That means only 3 more animal walks. We got bear walk again. 2 letters. All right, hands and feet. All the way across your room, go. Woo, nice. I got letter K. What's an animal that starts with K? Hops around, keeps its baby in a pouch. Kangaroo. How about P? An animal that starts with P. You're right, we did one of these animal walks earlier. Penguin. Okay, 4 more letters. 2 more turns. Oh, speaking of penguins, penguin letters. Up on your feet. Get on those heels. Penguin walk all across. Woo, I got the letter F. Can you think of an animal that starts with F? I'll give you a hint. Fish. All right. Miss Emily's favorite animal starts with E. It's got a big old trunk. Yeah, an elephant. What's your favorite animal? All right, last roll. Oh, frog jumps again. I think that one we got the most. 2 letters. Let's frog jump over. Last one. Ready? Woo! Woo! Keep jumping all across the floor. Good. I got letter S. What's an animal that starts with S? Yes, snake. Last one, X. I don't know an animal that starts with X. If you know one, you let me know, okay? Good job. We thought of an animal for every letter of the alphabet, except that one. Nice work. Hey, thanks for playing with me. Remember, you are smart, you are strong, and you are kind. Practice kindness this week.